Glow outside. This is what exactly eye glow is all about. Well, eye glow is not a topical cosmetic product. Eye glow is an internal cosmetic, otherwise called as a Nutri cosmetic product, my dear friends. Well, so eye glow, as you all know, that it is not a cosmetic application product. It is something which is to be taken internally, consumed internally, which purifies your liver, which detoxifies your liver as well as purifies your blood, by which it helps give you a wonderful healthy skin, my dear friends. So this is what eye glow is all about. Well, eye glow, as you all know, that beauty is one thing that everyone needs. Who doesn't want to look brighter, doesn't want brighter, younger looking and healthy skin? Everybody wants this. Well, but what is beauty exactly? Beauty is that which is not seen on the external part of your body, but the beauty is something which is beneath and beyond your skin. The chemistry of beauty, if I have to tell you, goes beneath and beyond your skin, my dear friends. Well, as everybody knows that this is a corona zamana, as I call, and during this coronavirus season, everybody is wearing the masks, the gloves, the sanitizers especially, which is very much mandatory for as far as the government guidelines are concerned, and it is very important for everybody to use this. But at the same point of time, my dear friends, you should also understand one point: we need to take care of our skin health. If your skin health is not maintained, so automatically the person will have all the dry skin issues. Actually, this is one important thing, because of the use of sanitizers or the fabric masks and gloves that we are using, the dry skin conditions can be produced, because of which you can definitely have a lot of other skin issues in the future also, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to you. We have to take care of our health. At the same point of time, please don't neglect your skin health also. So this is how important the skin health is all about. Well, you all know that during this COVID-19 season as well, this is very important to know that people across the world, the scientists across the world, are now looking into the nutri-cosmetic segment a lot. Well, you all know that there are a lot of topical cosmetic products which are available in the market, but they also pose a lot of health hazards, skin health issues as well, because they use a lot of synthetic chemicals and preservatives inside these products. Well, that is the reason why the Nutri cosmetic products have gained a lot of importance, my dear friends. The Nutri cosmetic products is very important, so that it not only takes care of your skin health, but it also takes care of something called as the holistic skin health. In the sense, it is a skin health which starts from your head till the toe. That is what is exactly called as the holistic skin health, my dear friends. So this is what is the importance of the skin health market these days. We call this as a Nutri cosmetic market or the internal cosmetic market. In fact, one of the estimates in the Business Wire, one of the magazines, it says that in India by 2024, the wellness market as well as the skin health market is going to increase up to 2,463.49 billion rupees by 2024. This is what the estimate is, with a compound annual growth rate of 18.4% till 2024. This is what an estimate says in the Business Wire, which means that most of the health and wellness companies as well as the industries or pharmaceutical industries are looking for developing internal cosmetic products. Well, we already have that kind of a wonderful product with us called as eye glow in our chain right now, in our product basket right now. So which if everyone and anyone and everyone can use this and take care of their own skin health. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that Nutri cosmetic segment is not a relatively not an old segment. It is also a very recent kind of a development which has happened in the cosmetic field actually, where the nutrition is added along with the herbal extracts, which equates to Nutri cosmetics, which means that you have a wonderful combination of nutrition along with a wonderful combination of herbal ingredients. Both of them put together, we call this as Nutri cosmetics. So eye glow in fact is one of the Nutri cosmetics, as you all know. Well, Nutri cosmetic is not only for skin, my dear friends, it also is for the hair care, the nail care, teeth care. All these things come under the Nutri cosmetics, but we are using only the skin health care part of this in our products. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So as you all know, my dear friends, eye glow is a product which is given to you in a profile pouch form. See, the sachet of eye glow is actually called as a profile pouch. We call this as a profile pouch or a sachet. So normally it has a neck bent, in a way like this, and the rectangular edges of the packet can be seen. This is exactly called as a profile pouch, and wherever you tear it, so is actually the cuts are made there. So or the dies are punches and the dies are made there. This is what we exactly call it as. One question why I am telling you about this pouch here is, some of the questions that we have received goes like this. Sir, why is the pouch made out of plastic? So that is one of the questions. Well, the government is also telling that plastic should not be used. Why this is made out of plastics? And is it harmful for the human being to consume this by opening it in their mouth directly? This is one of the questions that people ask. See, the answer for this is pretty simple. We all know that plastics are getting banned everywhere across the country. But one thing everybody have to remember here, we don't use virgin plastics in our product. See, virgin plastic is nothing but the first use of the plastic. The first time used plastic is called as the virgin plastic. This we don't use. We normally use the recyclable plastic or the recycled plastic. That is what is used. We normally call this as the polyvinyl chloride or the PVC sachets. The other part of it, what you have to consider here is, it is not only the PVC which is used, my dear friends, it is coated with internal aluminum layers as well. See, this is the food grade PVC and food grade aluminium which is actually used for making these profile pouches of iGlow. So this is absolutely good for human health. This does not cause any problems, and in fact we are not destroying the environment because we are using the recycled PVC here. We are not using the first use plastic. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So it has internal lining of aluminium which is food grade in nature, and externally it is polyvinyl chloride or the PVC that we are using. So that is how the profile pouch of iGlow is actually made. I hope my point is clarified to everybody. So the most important ingredient which is present in iGlow is called as saffron, so which is also called as kesar, and we are using this saffron from the Kashmir Valley, which is considered as one of the best available sources of saffron in the whole world. In fact, the government of India has given the geographical indication tag. We call this as a GI tag to this wonderful ingredient called as saffron. We also call saffron as the fragrant and the most expensive spice in the whole world. It is also classified as a spice, my dear friends. So this is one of the major ingredients that is actually used in our wonderful product, iGlow. Not only this, saffron is a time-honored ingredient which is used for nurturing the skin, moisturizing it and making it blemish-free and radiant. See, blemishes always refers to the old scars which are seen on the skin. We call them as scars. So it is documented. In fact, saffron is documented in the textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5,000 years. It has amazing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities, and saffron is considered to be an ideal ingredient for managing acne and skin breakouts. Acne are nothing but the pimples. Saffron has healing properties which can hasten the process of skin recovery also. So wherever the skin damage undergoes, my dear friends, the damage recovery part is taken care by this wonderful ingredient called as saffron. See, whenever you look into the saffron, everybody knows that saffron is a flower. But there are some of the sticks or the threads which are coming out of the flower. We call this as the stigma of this saffron flower. These stigmas of saffron flower we are using as a part of our product. In fact, these stigmas are orange threads in nature. They are orange color threads in nature, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to you. So, not only saffron, our product also contains the wonderful ingredients like the plant collagen. We are using the natural plant derived collagen, which is not from the animal sources. It is 100% from the plant sources, from the vegetables as well as fruits and the berries. This natural plant collagen is developed by an innovative technology which helps diminish the appearance of skin dullness and dark spots. This is how saffron is going to help you. Grapeseed extract is also infused with, we also have grapeseed extract in our product, which contains the wonderful natural ingredient called as resveratrol. So resveratrol, most of you might be knowing this, is one of the best antioxidants that we have, which effectively hydrates the skin, giving you healthier and radiant complexion. This is how the grapeseed extract is actually helping you, my dear friends. So not only this, natural plant collagen, as you all know that collagen is a protein element which is present in our own skin. Collagen is used for many things actually, as it is mainly situated around the bones, and it gives our tendons greater strength and preventing rips in the tendons. Not only this, collagen is important for holding the skin together. This is why collagen is also called as a beauty protein. So normally collagen is called by another term called as beauty protein, and this is helpful for holding the skin together, my dear friends. So in fact, people also use this collagen for getting shinier skin, for getting rid of the wrinkles, and to give a young and a softer skin. This particular collagen is actually used across the globe. So not only this, after this COVID-19 incident also, this anti-aging phenomenon has crept up in the world today. So people are always looking for anti-aging skin supplements. It is very important because anti-aging skin supplement will give your skin a soft and a supple look, as well as anti-aging doesn't mean that it is reducing your biological age, but it is actually making your skin glow. It conditions your skin and makes your skin look young. This is what is exactly called as anti-aging supplements. And collagen plays a very important role as a part of anti-aging supplements. That is the reason why the market for collagen is increasing day by day. This is how collagen is helping us out in making our skin soft and supple and maintaining our regular skin health also, my dear friends. I hope my point is clarified to everybody. So, not only this, there are a lot of other health benefits of collagen also. It supports the skin health. It keeps your nails strong. Nails are also very important integuments that we have. It also keeps your nails strong. It prevents hair loss. It allows the muscle growth and regeneration. It makes up the joints, tendons and ligaments. It strengthens the bones. It promotes tissue repair. It keeps your eyes healthy. It promotes the gut health also. It ensures heart health, and it supports wonderful brain health also. For all these things, collagen is actually required for the human body. But as a part of our product, I would like to emphasize this collagen as a beauty ingredient which will help in keeping your skin soft and supple, and it helps in maintaining the tightness of the skin, my dear friends. I hope the point is clarified to everybody. So, these are the major health benefits. In fact, it improves skin and hair, it repairs the joints, it helps leaky gut, it boosts your metabolism, it strengthens the teeth and nails, it helps in detoxification process, and it is also helpful in reducing the cellulite or the stretch marks. This is how this wonderful collagen is helping the human body, my dear friends. So, not only this, there are a lot of natural plant collagen sources that we are using. So we are using the natural plant collagen in our wonderful product iGlow, which normally comes from some of the fruits like the berries, the bamboo, the cherry. We also have some of the seaweeds. We call it as the seaweeds, the weeds which are growing in the sea. We also use the flowers like the rose petals. So these are some of the flowers. Vegetables like the cucumber, the asparagus. These are some of the vegetables that we use as a source of natural plant collagen. So normally, wherever the collagen supplements are mostly seen, they are the animal sources. But we have made it a point, we have used the most innovative technology, and we have discovered this wonderful natural plant collagen, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So not only this, our product also contains the goodness of kojic acid. As I always tell, kojic acid is not something which is dangerous in nature. Kojic acid is not something like the sulfuric acid or the hydrochloric acid which will burn your body. No. Kojic acid is a naturally plant-derived acid which we are deriving from the seaweeds. We use the seaweeds for this, and this is important for protecting your skin against the sun damage, and it reduces the dark spots and maintains the skin health. And our product also contains the licorice extract. Licorice is called as a sweet root. Botanically we call this as the Glycyrrhiza glabra. This licorice extract is known for skin lightening benefits. It helps in making the darker tone of the skin look light. In fact, there is a natural component which is present inside the licorice called as glabridin. This glabridin is responsible for effectively controlling the oil present in your skin. One thing I want to tell you all, my dear friends, here, there are three types of skin. One is the oily skin, the second is a dry skin, the third is combination skin. So, oily skin to an extent it is okay, combination skin is okay, but dry skin to a larger extent is the major cause for all kinds of skin diseases and disorders, my dear friends. That is the reason why dry skin conditions always require extra care. It doesn't mean that only application of the moisturizers will help in the problem. You have to consume products like iGlow, which will help in internal moisturization, which will definitely bring about the conditioning of the skin and ultimately hydrates and moisturizes the skin, my dear friends. So our product also contains the goodness of lutein extract, which is derived from the marigold flowers, and this is nothing but a carotenoid. We call this as a carotenoid or an orange coloring substance, which is the best antioxidant which maintains the skin hydration and elasticity. It also has the goodness of natural coenzyme Q10, which energizes your skin. This is also important. The body has its energy. Similarly, the skin is the largest organ of the human body, which also requires a lot of energy. That is the reason why for energizing the skin, natural CoQ10 plays a very important role. So we are deriving this natural coenzyme Q10 again from the seaweeds, my dear friends. So we are using the natural sources for this as well. So these are all about the ingredients of iGlow. So far as the benefits of iGlow are concerned, it is very important skin lightening product. It is an anti-aging product. It reduces the wrinkles. It is a very good skin moisturizing product. It reduces the dark spots. It is a blemish control ingredient. It increases your radiant complexion. It reduces the skin damage control, or it controls the skin damage. It rejuvenates the skin. It detoxifies the liver. This is very important. It detoxifies the liver, by which the blood purification happens and ultimately the conditioning of the skin will happen. That is the reason why I will always like to tell you that iGlow is undeniable beauty, which means that it conditions your beauty from inside by making your skin glow outside. This is what exactly iGlow is going to do in your body, my dear friends. As you all know that iGlow is excellent for all skin types, suitable for men, women as well as kids. So for best results, I would suggest you to consume one profile pouch or one sachet of iGlow in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and one sachet of iGlow in the night, 15 minutes after dinner. So it can be used from childhood to the the aged people as well. So for children especially, it should be used after 6 years. Below 6 years, iGlow should not be used. From 6 years onwards to 100 years, iGlow can be safely used, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. It can be consumed safely for longer duration without worrying much about the side effects or the adverse effects. It can be taken along with any other medications or a cosmetic product as an adjuvant without any side effects. I hope the point is clear to everybody. Well, this is about a short topic of iGlow, my dear friends. So now this is a question answer time. So let me take the last week's questions followed by the present week's questions now. So today my colleagues Ms. Asma and Dr. Vinil have collected the questions for me. So let me start with the last week's questions. Redness in the eyes caused while using iGlow. Well, I don't know who has asked this question, but redness in the eyes, it is no way related with iGlow, my dear friends. There is no such adverse effect or the side effect which is reported, like the reddening of the eyes, the redness of the eyes increasing after the intake of iGlow. So the next question is, please tell me how to use iGlow product for dry skin in the whole body. One thing that people have to understand here, iGlow is a holistic skin health support product, which means that it provides health benefits from the head till the toe, which is skin is already there from the head till the toe, my dear friends. That is the reason why even for the body skin health, not only the face skin, I am talking about the complete body skin health, you have to consume one sachet in the morning and one sachet in the night, 15 minutes after breakfast and 15 minutes after dinner, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So, sir, in which herbal preservatives are used in our product? I would like to tell you that we are using potassium sorbate. So we are not using sodium benzoate, my dear friends. We have removed the sodium benzoate long back. We are using this very, very mild preservative called as potassium sorbate at a dose of 0.02%. It is 0.02% we are using. It is very, very low dose and a negligible dose actually, mainly to maintain some of the herbal extracts. To preserve the herbal extracts, we are using this potassium sorbate. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is, so suffering from skin allergy using iPulse twice daily, can I use iGlow along with iPulse? Absolutely fine. You can use iGlow and iPulse in combination with each other. So first product must be iPulse. After that, leave a gap of 15 minutes. Then you should have the food. Then you have to consume the iGlow. I hope the point is clear to you. iPulse must be consumed half an hour or 15 minutes before the food, whereas iGlow should be consumed 15 minutes after the food. So this is how you need to consume both the products in combination. So the next question that I am seeing here is whether eye glow result in tightening of the skin. Yes, absolutely yes. Because as I have told you, eye glow contains this natural plant collagen. Whenever the collagen level decreases in your skin, it depletes in your skin will become loose. So whenever collagen builds up in your skin, the skin automatically becomes tight. That is the reason why you have to consider eye glow in this particular condition, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is, so is that any color or chemical in eye glow for colors? No. We are absolutely using natural based ingredients in this. There are no synthetic colors or additives added in this wonderful product eye glow. It is absolutely chemical color free. I hope the point is clear to you. So the last question of the last week that I am taking, anesthetic patches will change to normal or not when we consume eye glow? No, my dear friend, because anesthetic patches normally happen because of the use of anesthesia, and the localized nerves which are present where the anesthetics are given would have permanently become numb. There are some of the techniques which can be used for, triggering those nerves, the nerve impulses to begin again. But with the help of eye glow, we don't suggest this for this particular problem because again we don't have data to substantiate this. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question that I am taking here from today's thing is eye glow effective for vitiligo? See, vitiligo is nothing but your leukoderma or the white patch conditions. As I told you, eye glow contains one or two of the major ingredients like the licorice extract. It also has the natural plant collagen, and it also has the kojic acid. So these are called as skin lightening ingredients, as well as these. There are some ingredients which can work either way, which means to say that in most of the pigmentation disorders for that matter, eye glow can be definitely given. In case of vitiligo, what I would like to suggest you is, please use a combination of eye pulse and eye glow both. Eye pulse must be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, whereas eye glow must be 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the food, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So the next question is by Miss Sanika Shah. I think the last question is also asked by Sanika Shah, which I have answered. Eye glows used in albinism conditions. See, again, albinism is a genetic disorder which has the pathophysiology similar to that of the pigmentation disorders as well. The same answer holds good here as well. I would suggest you a combination of eye pulse and eye glow together. I hope, Ms. Sanika Shah, you have got your answer. So eye pulse will be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, whereas eye glow is 1 sachet twice daily, 15 minutes after the food. So the next question is by Mr. Basil Varghese. So Mr. Basil Varghese, if you are watching this, natural source of coenzyme Q10. We are using the seaweeds, the weeds which are present in the sea. We call it as the aquatic plants or the algae. So, or the seaweeds as we call. This is a natural source of CoQ10 as well as kojic acid that we are using. We are not using any synthetic sources for this. I hope the answer is clear to you. The next question is by Mr. Chandra Ratish. If you are watching this, can eye glow be given to patient on immunosuppressants which have undergone liver treatment? Absolutely yes. You can give it, there will be no side effects, but you have to give it 15 minutes after the food only. Please do not give before food to an immunosuppressed patient. It will have other side effects. It has to be given after food only. So the next question is by Mr. Deepak Yadav. Best time to use eye glow before, after breakfast or dinner? It should be used twice. Once in the morning and once in the night, 15 minutes after breakfast and 15 minutes after dinner. This is how eye glow should be used. It should be used both times in a day. So, but the next question is by Ms. Jonet Karam. If you are watching this, so after consuming eye glow for 3 months, customer is complaining of pimples showing up. What is the reason behind it? They also told the pimples reduced in the first month, but after 3 months, it is showing up again. This is what the question is. Suppose, if you are having this kind of a problem, what I would like to suggest you is, you have to consume 1 sachet of eye glow in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast. Please continue with eye pulse. 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. Reduce the dosage of eye glow to 1 sachet in the morning. This will serve the purpose. I hope the point is clear to you. And along with this, as a part of detoxification, I would suggest you to consume more and more fluids. At least 3.5 to 4 liters of fluids in a day, which includes water as well as fruit juices, to definitely keep yourself and your skin hydrated and fresh. So the next question is by Mr. Jignesh Shah. Is eye glow good for skin problems like itching? See, Itching normally happens because of various reasons. Either because of drug allergy, either because of food allergy. We also call it as pruritus, which happens because of excessive sweating. Itching can happen because of various other effects in the body as well. Well, as a part of detoxification and wellness supplement, I would definitely suggest you to consume iGlow, my dear friend. 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after breakfast and 15 minutes after dinner. So the last question of the day that I am taking is by Mr. Obinam. If you are watching this, for pimple problems, how to use this? You can definitely use 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after breakfast and 15 minutes after dinner. But one thing keep in mind, suppose if your skin is too much oily, always try to make it a bit dry. Don't make it too much dry. Apply some powders which will make the skin dry by absorbing the oil in the initial days. When you do this, the pimples will not flare up. Normally in case of pimples or acne, what exactly happens is your sebum or the oil content from the skin becomes too much, so that the pimples, the P. acnes, the bacteria which is causing pimples, will have a lot of food to eat and the pimples will flare up. That is the reason why you have to dry up the skin a bit by applying some of the powders, and even during the consumption of iGlow, you can do that just for drying up the skin a bit, not too much, so that the pimples will not flare up during the initial days. But along with that, I would also suggest you to consume 3.5 to 4 liters of fluids on a daily basis, just to reduce that basal metabolic rate or the heat, what we call inside the human body, to reduce the pimples. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So my dear friends, so there is a link which is appearing below in the chat box, IndusViva/VibrantViva. Ask your questions, and there is a link there. Suppose if you have more questions, you can press the link and ask your questions there. We will be happy to answer your questions, my dear friends. Please follow that link. Key in your questions there, so we will be able to answer them. Thank you so much, Vivites, for your patient listening. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training at IndusViva Health Sciences, Bangalore, signing off. Have a nice day. Bye.